In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Zillow customer support, whether you're a renter, landlord, home buyer, or simply have a question about using Zillow. Knowing how to get in touch with their support team can save you time and effort. To start this process, let's first visit the Zillow Help Center. Open up your preferred web browser and type in Zillow Help Center. Once you land on their Help Center page, you'll immediately notice a range of topics and frequently asked questions laid out to help users troubleshoot common issues on their own. This is a great first step because many times the information you need might just be a click away. Browse through the articles and FAQs that are specifically tailored to address a diverse array of issues and see if there's already a solution or guidance available for your particular situation. This could potentially save you from having to contact support directly. If you don't find what you need or if your issue requires direct support, the next step is to submit a request to Zillow's support team. To do this, you'll want to locate the Submit a Request page on their website. Once you're there, you'll find an online form that will allow you to communicate directly with Zillow's customer service representatives. Start by selecting your role. Depending on whom you are and the nature of your inquiry, you'll pick an option that best fits your profile, such as a renter, landlord, or home buyer. This helps the support team to categorize your request and provide a response that is specifically tailored to your needs. Now comes the form filling part. You'll need to provide some key details to ensure that the support team has all the information they need to assist you effectively. Enter your name and email address first. These details ensure that Zillow knows who they're corresponding with and where to direct their response. Next, you'll need to fill out the subject line, which should be a brief summary of the issue you're facing, helping them prioritize and identify your concern right away. In the description section of the form, go into more depth about the problem you're experiencing. Be as specific and detailed as you can, including any error messages you've encountered or the steps you've already taken to resolve the issue. Don't forget to mention any relevant property address, as this could be crucial in cases related to specific real estate listings or transactions. Once you've completed the form, the final step is to wait for a response. After your request is submitted, Zillow's customer support team will review your information and get back to you via email. The time it takes for a response can vary, so be sure to keep an eye on your inbox, including any junk or spam folders, to ensure you don't miss their reply. And that's how you can efficiently contact Zillow customer support. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you resolve your issues swiftly.